In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a clickable link in Google Sheets. If you've ever needed to point someone from your spreadsheet to a website, a file, or a different part of the same workbook, clickable links make that effortless. Today, I'll walk you through the 3 easiest ways to create them and share a few simple tips so your links work the way you expect. First up is the quick link method using the link box. Click the cell you want to make clickable, then press Ctrl+K on Windows or Command+K on a Mac. A link box will pop up. Paste your website URL right into that box, or choose a file from your drive if that's what you need. You can type a friendly label in the cell before or after adding the link, so viewers see clear text instead of a long address. When you're done, hit Apply. This is the fastest way to add a link and perfect for one-off references. As a small tip, if you paste a full URL directly into a cell, Sheets often recognizes it automatically, but using Ctrl+K gives you more control over the display text. Next is the hyperlink formula, which is ideal for dashboards and dynamic reports. In any cell, type equals hyperlink. Then in parentheses, add your URL in quotation marks, a comma, and your label in quotation marks. For example, equals hyperlink, open parenthesis, your URL, comma, your label, close parenthesis. The power here is flexibility. If your URL lives in another cell, just reference that cell instead of hard-coding it. Do the same for the label. Now, when your source data changes, the link and its text can update automatically. This keeps dashboards clean, consistent, and maintainable, especially when you're pulling links from a list or generating them programmatically. Finally, you can link to other sheets inside the same file to make navigation a breeze. Select a cell, press Ctrl+K, and in the link box, choose Sheets and named ranges. Pick the sheet you want to point to, then apply. This is a great way to build a simple table of contents at the top of your workbook. Add a row of labeled links to each sheet, and anyone using your file can jump straight to the section they need without scrolling or searching. That's it. Quick links with Ctrl+K, dynamic links with the hyperlink formula, and internal links to other sheets for smooth navigation. Try them in your next spreadsheet and see how much faster your workflow becomes.